and welcome back to Automation Masters. I am a Master Pro, and today we're looking at the most powerful robot, the best AI trader robot of the year 2024. This is the Sumari AutoTrader Robot. Quickly looking here, it's written Sumari. It is a smiley face showing that the robot is executing live auto trading trades. As you can see over there, it's written auto trading, meaning that these trades were automatically executed. So you can see with these arrows pointing in the different directions that those were trades that were being executed. We left the robot trading overnight. You can be able to see how it performed overnight, and then this was the agent session. Now right now we are in the Frankfurt London market open, and it is a beautiful setup. We caught a sniper entry which was moving from this dynamic zone, which was a very beautiful uptrend. So now from this uptrend we had a couple of touches. The first touch emanated, as you can see, let's see where it started from all over around there. So there was the second touch. So where we are currently, it is a dead touch level, and as you can see that our bot has been able to catch this powerful move, moving bullish. So we have bought on this dead touch of this uptrend on USD CAD, and then the market shot up. It retraced, the bot didn't sell because it picked that this is a retracement trade, and then it continued to hold, another retracement on this trend line, which was the resistant trend line. It kept on holding, it broke. Beautiful breakout that we are continuing to hold, and then now we're still holding this buy, and then when the bot picks that the market is about to reverse, going to close this buy and automatically execute a selling trade. What's so beautiful is the sniper entries that you get to catch with the Sumari AutoTrader Robot. As I've said before, our bot trades Forex, it trades indices. That will be your nasdaq, USA 30, S&P 500, and your nasdaq 100. It's a beautiful instrument that makes a lot of money. You get your hands on the Sumari AutoTrader Robot, you're able to trade that and also trade gold, and yes, it does also trade cryptocurrencies. Right now, let us quickly move and see how it has traded gold, as we are talking about gold. Ooh, beautiful. We started trading gold from the beginning of the Frankfurt market, and as we're starting and also getting into the London market open, two beautiful trades that we've executed. And then now I'm looking at this beautiful sell that we took over there. It's emanating from these two touches, first touch, second touch, and then that sell, candlestick close, beautiful sell. Boom! And then we broke the significant support trend line, first touch, second touch. It's so that even though this was a third touch, but we still did it to hold our sell, and then a beautiful breakout on that level. We're still holding the sell. It is paying us so well on this day. It is a Thursday and we're making money. We've been making money from a Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, 4 days in a row. Sumari AutoTrader Robot, the best AI trading robot internationally, is making big moves. And as I'm recording this video, we have also our live session which is going live, showing you our account, our other account that is being traded live as well. So we're trading different instruments to show you the versatility of what this powerful trading robot is able to do. Now let us quickly check EuroCAD. Woo! Beautiful trade that was also executed on EuroCAD, coming from that resistant trend line at the top. Then we sold over there. Boom! We caught that sniper entry, and with this Marubozu we're in the positive, which is beautiful. So now we're on a third instrument, and already everything is still in the money. Beautiful, I like that. So right now the market is landing, or has landed, on a significant level. This is a buy level, two touches over there. But you notice that our sell has not changed. So the bot is using AI automation to pick probabilities on levels, and if it feels that this is not yet a level or at a time that it should buy, it will continue to hold the sell. Then once the AI picks buying activities on the market in real time. Remember that there's a lot of buyers and sellers on the market, millions of them, hundreds and thousands and millions of traders around the world. They are busy buying and selling. What is most important is that there are market makers who tend to decide what happens in significant levels. We are looking at your big hedge funds, your financial institutions like banks. They decide where to push the money. And when Sumari picks the probabilities that takes place on certain levels, then the bot will be able to trade in the direction of the money. We follow the money, and this is based on price action, because price action is king. And that is why this Sumari is the king of all kings, the king of all bots. Let us quickly look at US Tech. US Tech is sitting around this significant level. It is a buy level, but it's coming from that resistance level at the top. So it's still peaking a sell on this area, first, second, third touch, and then it's sold. It's still holding the sell, even though the market is having these two touches. It's still picking a probability of a sell. We will see if the sell will continue pushing down, but if it doesn't and the market changes and become a buying market, it will execute a buy trade once it has confirmed that. So not much move around the Nasdaq 100, and I know a lot of traders, they busy stuck on Nasdaq, they're waiting for a push. It is not there yet, but we are making money on all the other instruments. That's the beauty of trading with the Sumari AutoTrader Robot, because you can diversify your trading portfolio. Ooh, we're looking at the DE30 Euro. This is the Gemini 30, the best 30 companies, the best performing 30 companies in Germany. And then right now, as you can see, during the Asian session, the market was caught on that range, from that high and this low, and then immediately when we started breaking the low from the Frankfurt session, then the bot was already in on a trade, tried to buy it, so that the market pushed until that level, then it saw the highest probability of now the market to sell, and then it started to sell, and then boom, the market dropped beautifully over there. We collected some nice pips. Indices pays a lot. Indices pays a lot, guys. So Gemini 30, you know that with this one trade, your car installment is paid. With this one trade, your rent or bond is paid. That is the power of trading indices. So I don't, especially if you are still a youth in varsity or college, you're cruising nicely, if you know what I mean, if you know what I'm talking about, and you're making the conga money, you know what I'm talking about. Get yourself that legendary Barakat this weekend. Guys, let us look at USA 30. USA 30 is still sleeping. The beast is sleeping. So the 30 best performing companies in America, the USA 30 Dow Jones, is still caught on this range, during the Asian Australian session. So now that break that took there, we already caught that sell, and I see now it is the picking a double bottom, but still holding that sell. If the market continues to break this level, we will be in on a sniper entry sell. But if it does continue to go up, it breaks it high, we will be getting into a buy trade. This is the powerful Sumari AutoTrader Robot. I'm showing you the London Open. Remember, this is just the opening. We were still in the open already. We've made these powerful moves. The session is still going to continue, and we'll see how it continues. But for now, we are definitely in profit with all our instruments. This is the 30 Euro. And then what did I tell you about US Tech? It just broke, and then it is already bought. It closed the sell, then now we're buying. This is the power of getting those sniper entries. And then I was busy talking on the other instrument. Nothing, you saw live. I did not place any buy manually, and then boom, it has started buying over there. This is the beauty. While you're at work, you've got an instrument that you've got a bot that can buy and sell for you. EuroCat still holding a sell, so meaning that this might still be a retracement trade, and if it continues to sell, it will continue to hold the sell. But if it continues to be strong buy, it will then buy and move bullish. Looking at ZAR USD, still continuing to hold that sell, and then USD CAD, ooh wee, USD CAD has pushed nicely, broke that significant high over there. This was a significant supply level. So those who trade, those demand and supply zones, most probably others started selling at this level. The market went down a bit and then it continued to push high. So we're still holding our buy over there, and we are now maybe headed to that level at the top. We'll see what the Sumari AutoTrader Robot decides on, but this is powerful, guys. We've got these 6 instrument, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 instrument, and all of them are in the money. Get your hands on this Sumari AutoTrader Robot, because this is the future of trading. The future is now. The time for you to stress yourself with manual trading is over. We are now in an AI automation era. It's time to let the robots handle the hard, tough decisions. Now, this thing of yours taking 3-5 years learning how to trade manually, I don't trust robots, I rather trade on my own, and then you need to struggle with trading psychology. When you're happy, you are good to trade. When you are sad or going through some form of distress, you're not able to make money. That time has come to an end. It is an automation era. Join Automation Masters today and take your trading game to the next level of profitability. This is the success era. Nothing can beat what you are looking at. Market makers can try. We are now trading on the side of the market makers. I've been waiting for this time for quite a long time, trading for the past 8 years now. We are in the automation era, finally, and we are now milking it big time. We are the pioneers in this industry. Join us as we are moving and cruising nicely. It is time to trade. Let's look at the detail.
I got millions and I put my city on top. G.O.D. walking with me, so I'm never gon' flop. Keys to the Lamborghini, got the opposition hating on me. It's okay, I leave him in the dust 6 feet deep. Pocket chicken drown on them. Hit the gym, so you know I'm about to flex on them. Chess game, so I'm coming for the crown on them.